Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 17 to 23, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano magkakapagpabook for a private reading. So, let's see Cancer, what's coming to you ngayong week na ito, June 17 to 23. You have trine, sextile, symbiosis. So, meron ditong tulong, no? There's assistance or help. Maaring, it's either ikaw yung tutulong or ikaw yung tutulungan. Okay? So, whatever this is, don't worry dahil meron kang support na matatanggap from someone. Kung merong kang kailangang gawin na you need assistance, okay? Or backup. So, you also have energy ng Pisces, which is sensitized. Okay, so Pisces energy is very imaginative, very artistic, creative. So, maaring itong mga plans mo for this week related sa iyong creativity. Okay, maaring meron ka mga projects or creative projects, creative na mga ideas sa workplace, no, sa trabaho mo, sa business, and anything else na gusto mong gawin. So, some of you might feel a bit emotional during this time kasi maaring meron kang makukuhang tulong from someone na hindi mo inaasahan. Oo. You also have South Node, which is your past. So, ang South Node kasi is also your area of expertise kasi ibig sabihin yan, na-master mo na yan in your past life. So, it seems na meron kang mga gagawin ngayong week na to na gagamitin mo yung iyong talento. Yung, kumbaga, innate talents mo. Kumbaga, built-in na sa'yo yan. Oo. So, whatever this is, pwedeng business, career, or mga creative projects mo, personal projects mo. Okay, let's see your overall energy for this week. For Cancer, you have the Two of Pentacles. Okay, medyo busy this week. Maaring may mga pinagsasabay-sabay ka ngayon na trabaho, business, career, relationship. I think naman kaya mong i-handle to, no? As long as mamamanage mo ng maayos, balance yung time, panahon na binibigay mo. At syempre, no, kunin mo lang kung ano yung kaya mong i-handle. Kasi syempre pag nasobrahan naman, baka ikaw rin yung mag-suffer kasi hindi mo ma-deliver yung ina-expect sa'yo. Okay? So, kung makakarinig kayo ng mga kulog sa background, bigla na lang umulan. Okay? Alam nyo naman, tag-ulan na. So, let's see your possible challenge. The Magician. So, dito ngayon, kailangan yung gamitin yung inyong mga natatagong talento. Oo. So, yun yung challenge sa inyo na ituklasin pa, no? Yung inyong mga kakayanan, yung mga abilities ninyo. This is also stepping into your own power. Baka may mga pagkakataon na tatama rin kayo this week dahil sa sobrang dami ng kailangan nyong gawin. So, time management lang talaga. Okay? Let's see your opportunity. Opportunity is the Seven of Swords. Oh, okay. So, yung iba sa inyo parang you are keeping secrets, no? Pwedeng may mga plans kayo na sinasarili nyo muna na hindi alam ng ibang tao. Okay? Kaya lang, baka pag nalaman nila na meron kang itinatago, no, na, hindi nila alam, syempre. Tapos, pag nalaman nila yun, baka they take it against you na bakit ka nagtatago sa kanila. Baka gawing issue. But I think, no, as an opportunity, ano man tong mga plano mo na gusto mo munang gawin on your own na hindi mo kailangan ipagsabi sa iba, magiging successful. Ibig sabihin, magagawa mo siya ng maayos. Okay? So, your blessing is, wow, the Six of Wands. This is success. Success in your life, in your career, in your business, finances. You are also center of attention ngayon, no? Maaring ikaw ay nasa public field or public life, no? Yun yung career mo, or you are a content creator, or isa kang social media influencer, celebrity, ganon. But kung hindi man, I think you will also be recognized dun sa mga work na binigay mo, na ginawa mo, mga ineffortan mo. Okay? What is the Two of Pentacles? The Fool. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong sisimulan na bagong kabanata ng inyong career or business, na yung iba sa inyo kayo ay susugal, no? Yung parang you are going to take a risk. What is the Magician? The Seven of Wands. Okay, as a challenge kasi pwedeng meron mga nangingialam sa inyo, no? Yung tipong kumbaga nakikisawsaw, gano'n, na may plano ka, tapos meron din silang gustong gawin na nakakagulo sa mga plano mo, sa mga iniisip mo, sa mga ideas mo. So, I think, kaya siguro yung opportunity mo rito ay itago muna yung ideas mo bago mo ipaalam sa iba, kasi baka merong mga makikialam, no, dun sa mga gusto mong gawin. So, yeah, I think, kung meron ka mang iso-surprise this week, I think you will be able to pull it off, no? Makakaya mo namang ma-surprise yung taong yan. Or, kung may mga plans ka muna na sa'yo na lang muna, hindi mo na ipapaalam sa iba, magagawa mo yan, no? Very sneaky lang yung energy na yan. You have the Death card. Oh, okay. Some of you, siguro, isang opportunity nyo is to slowly cut off a person in your life, no? Na alam mong hindi mo na napagkakatiwalaan. Ito yung tipong hindi mo sasabihin sa kanya na wala ka lang tiwala sa kanya, pero yung actions mo sa kanya is iwas ka na mag-share ng kung ano-anong bagay sa kanya. Parang halos wala ka nang sinishare sa kanya. Hanggang sa ma-realize niya na, oops, kina-cut off mo na pala siya. Okay? Let's see, what is the Six of Wands? You have the Four of Cups. Okay. It seems na ito yung success or blessings na long overdue, no? Yung tipong you were expecting to have this mga months ago pa, pero ngayon lang siya lalabas or ngayon mo lang makukuha. But at least, no, nakuha mo pa rin. Let's say you were expecting na ikaw yung mapipili as the best employee, or you will get the recognition of something na ine-effortan mo, as in iniisip mo last 2 months pa dapat, no? 2 months ago pa dapat, so medyo late lang, but I feel like kahit na late ito, still this is a blessing sa'yo, kasi at least, no, na-achieve mo na yung gusto mo. Wow, there's prosperity, jackpot, success, good fortune. Wow. Ang ganda naman yan, Cancer. You also have old car. So, ito yung you're going to let go of, no? So, maaring, ayun nga, yung mga taong sa tingin mo, hindi na katiwa-tiwala, no? Mga taong sa tingin mo ay mahirap ng pakisamahan. So, you might be cutting off connections with them. Yes, this is cancellation. Maaring parang meron ka mga hindi nagagawa kasi, or nasasabi, or nalilimitahan ka dahil sa situation na meron ka ngayon. Kaya I think ang isa sa way mo is to cut off some people para hindi mo na kailangang makisalamuha pa sa kanila. You get my point? Let's see, money, career, finances. Volunteer. So, meron kang tutulungan. You will share your blessings. Pwedeng meron kang tuturuan, no? Mag-share ka ng knowledge mo. And also, meron ka ring isa-celebrate. Yeah, I feel like dito yung success na blessing sa'yo ngayong week na to. Celebration. Maaring yung mga small wins, no? Sa work, sa career, sa business, meron kang na-hit na target, na-hit mo yung sales na gusto mo, ganon. So, sa love life naman, playfulness, karmic, and family. Okay. So, there's a lot of things going on for you, Cancer. If you are single, I think mas magiging open ka for dating, no? But be careful lang, baka kasi you will get into someone na karmic yung relationship. But of course, pa kapag karmic kasi wala kang magagawa, ganun talaga, you have to deal with that. And also, you will be spending more time with your family rin ngayong week na to. So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!